Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'm sharing with you how I achieved this lovely two braid ponytail using Brazilian wool. I've already cut the Brazilian wool into two. I used 2 packs of Brazilian wool. Then I have to pull the tip. One must be longer than one. So you can see that is what I'm trying to do now. Always pull the tip so that you can get a perfect thin towards the ending tip. So you can see I use my hairband, that is my scrunchie band, to hold it at the middle. Then I pin it on my mannequin head. Then I section one part into 3. You can see. Then I start braiding. Do not braid too tight, do not braid tight, because we are going to use our hand to flop out the braid very well when we are done. So I keep braiding. I'm going to use this ponytail braid to achieve 2 of the hairstyle. So just keep on watching, do not stop watching. Like, comment, share with your loved one. Keep on watching because you're going to enjoy what you're seeing. So don't worry when you see some excess at the body. It's normal because we drag the tip, we drag some longer than some. So it's normal. It's an easy thing. You are going to see what I'm going to do with that. Just keep on watching. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate your support and love so much. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly please click on the subscribe button so you can see I'm going to trim the excess. I'm going to trim it off. Very easy to do. Just trim it off. It's nothing. And please, if you like what you're seeing, which I know you love what you are watching, please consider by clicking on the subscribe button. If you've not subscribed, kindly please join the fam. You can see I'm using my hand to flop out the braid. You can see that was what I said from the beginning. So this is the second one. I braid also. I section the I section the Brazilian wool into 3. Then I keep braiding. This is a very easy ponytail to achieve. Even though you don't know how to braid, just follow my hand, section the hair. You can use Brazilian wool, you can use expression, anyone you feel like. You can create this with expression hair also, not only Brazilian wool. Then after I'm done braiding, after I'm done flopping it out, I'm going to be using these accessories towards the tip just to cover where I tied the knots, just to cover it. If you want to add beads or any other thing, you are free to do that. Just add a little bit of spice, a little bit of spice. Even though if you want to add coins, I have on my channel, I have a video on my channel where I added coins. So now let's attach the hair. I've already done a lot of video where I lay my hair down, so that is why I didn't do that in this video. So just attach it to the back. I didn't count the pieces of Brazilian wool I used because it's much. So make sure you grab the tip longer than some. Then you start wrapping. Yes, you start wrapping to cover the band you use in attaching the braid to your hair, and to cover your extra hair that is out that you put on ponytail. Just keep wrapping, keep on watching. You're going to see how I did that. It's very easy to achieve. I don't know why my camera is always out of focus when I need that part. I don't know why. So just keep wrapping. So if this is not enough, we are still going to add more. Then I use my got to big hairspray glue to hold the remaining one down because I don't want to use bobby pin. Then I attach the second one also. Don't worry, Brazilian wool, there will always be excess picking up from the root. You can actually brush that excess out. You can brush it before you attach it, but this time around I didn't brush it because I'm still going to reuse the Brazilian wool I use in wrapping it. I don't want to damage it by brushing the tip out, so that is why I didn't brush it, because if I brush it I can't reuse it again because it will be stuck to each other. So that is why I didn't brush it in this video. So I keep wrapping, then I spray the excess with got to be glue spray. Then I use my scissors. This spray is going to hold it down. If you spray it on it very well, it's going to hold it down. It's going to do the job very well. But if you are still scared, you can actually use bobby pin to hold it down. That is just it. So I keep trimming the excess. So can you see the final look? Oh my god, this came out so beautiful. I really fell in love with this hairstyle. As in, on my head I was just looking at the mirror. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, this came out so lovely. So I'm going to be showing you the second style I achieved with this, the same braid ponytail. So now just take one, wrap it towards your foundation. That is the thing holding the ponytail, your head. Then take the second one, wrap it towards the up round, then tuck it in under, which is the tip. So if you want to rock this hairstyle for a very long time, you can use the needle and thread to sew it down, or use bobby pin, because I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. So I didn't do that on camera. Can you see the final look? This came out so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god. You can actually add accessories to it if you want. You can use this for a birthday photo shoot. You can take it to the party for this Christmas period. Can you see the back? For New Year period. This came out so mwah. So if you want to rock it with two ponytail also, feel free to do anyone you like. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please, if you've not subscribed, make sure you do that. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your love. I really appreciate your support and love so much. This means a lot to me, and please make sure you like if you not like this video. See you in my next video. As I do say, stay blessed always. Mwah.